Hi friends, welcome to my channel Science is in the Air. So today we are going to study about some common doubts related to reproduction. So we will go through all the common questions and understand their concepts. So let us get started. First question, why are some twins not alike? Well, there are two types of twins. First is identical and second is fraternal. So let us start with identical twins. So they share same birthday, which means they are born on the same day. They share same genes. They look alike and they also have same sexes, which means either a girl and a girl would be born or a boy and a boy would be born. Second type, fraternal twins. They also share birthday on the same day, but they are not genetically same. They often look different and they might have same sex or opposite sex, which means they might be girl and a girl, boy and a boy, or a girl and a boy twin. So how are identical and fraternal twins formed? Well, to understand why, we need to look at what happens at the time a pregnancy starts, which is known as the time of conception. So let us get started. So in case of identical twins, after fertilization, a zygote is formed which splits into two separate zygote. So we can say the DNA originates from the single source, and that's why identical twins are also known as monozygotic. And this is how the cycle goes. So zygote divides into two, and these zygote may or may not share the same placenta. In case of fraternal twins, two separate eggs are released by the female and are fertilized by separate sperms. So that's why, since two egg cells are involved and two sperms are involved to form two separate zygote, so fraternal twins are also known as dizygotic or non-identical twins. So in case of fraternal or dizygotic twins, separate placenta formation takes place. And this is how the twins are formed. Next question. Does male chromosome determine the sex of the child? Well, the answer is yes. So if you see the diagram, the sex chromosome pattern in the human female is XX and that of male is XY. Therefore, all the haploid or single set of chromosome of the egg cell is made up of X chromosome. However, the haploid male have either X or Y chromosome. Thus, 50% of the sperm carry X chromosome while other 50% carry Y chromosome. So that's why we say the father has XY chromosome and the mother has XX chromosome. So when one X chromosome of the egg cell is fertilized with the X chromosome of the sperm, a daughter is formed. Whereas when one X chromosome of the female fuses with the Y chromosome of the sperm, a son is born. And so we can say the sex of the child is determined by the chromosome of the father. Next question. How can girl and boy twins be fraternal? So in order to understand that, like we just studied, that the male and a female have XX and XY chromosome respectively. So a girl-boy twins occur when one X chromosome of the egg cell is fertilized with one X chromosome of the sperm. And a Y sperm, if it fertilizes the other X chromosome of the egg cell, then a daughter and a son is born respectively. So this is how a girl-boy twins are formed. Next question. How are conjoined twins born? Now, conjoined twins are two babies who are born physically connected to each other. When an early embryo separates partially to form two individuals. Two fetuses develop from this embryo remain physically connected. So they can connect physically with where the common structure can be chest, an abdomen or pelvis or multiple organs. Now, conjoined twins may also share one or more internal organs. And this not only happens in case of humans, but also in case of animals and some of the plants. So the next question now is, does head always come first during the delivery of the baby? In most of the vaginal deliveries, the baby's head passes through the birth canal first, and then the rest of the baby's body follows. Whereas in case of breech delivery, the baby's feet, knees, or buttocks appear first. So that's it for today. So I hope these doubts were clear and this session was useful for you all. So thank you for watching the video. Do like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you and have a good day.